Nigeria be like this now. Why try come up for Nigeria now before things
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.
go first.
You can never. You know you are a failure.
No, this thing for road. Gotta no just dey for road. So too much, I beg. You just want to come up for this border place.
All the people wey me dem dey work this road, they don't carry customer come up. Me sef since why dey, I no see any customer. God, I beg, I beg. I know this one. If I no carry money enter house now, my wife go pursue me come up for house. I beg everything dey.
I don't tire. I don't just tire for this place where I dey go. Don't tell what those they waka. I no see anything.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
They were just when they say my cross border. Now come up for Nigeria. Now all these things just happen. This one. This one with the other Okada on now.
Oga come, where you dey go?
Don't tell me I just dey find Okada for this.
You dey find Okada. This time I carry no Okada. You know the shit.
I don't know. I think say now all those people they do.
I'm supposed to hear of this.
Let me say you know the shit. You get eye problem. Let me say you know this. As you dey like this, you see wetin make you know this. Now this cap, I don't know whether na your grandpapa na him carry this cap give you. Where you dey go?
This all this. Thank God, that's why they since you never see.
I never see. Who tells I never see passenger? I don't carry passenger tire today. I don't carry passenger tire. You know everybody. If anybody see this my machine, they go beg me or carry me go. Let me touch my rest.
This your machine will be like
this machine. Forget that tire like this. Forget that tire like this. Wetin make me tire like this? That the kind run where they run. If you see me for road, if I dey run like this, you go be like say na aeroplane dey run. You never see me where I dey run. If you enter the, I no go carry your tire. I don't know whether na bomb wey you carry for tire. Where you dey go, sef? I dey ask where you dey go. Where you say you dey go?
My brother won't cross.
You see the time. You know wetin no make me call you the time wey you dey pass. I still say na iron condemn you. I get iron condemn for house. Ma go give you. Let me say you want cross go where?
My brother won't cross.
Jesus Christ, go further. With this sack bag, who tell you they carry sack bag go for cross Nigeria? This sack bag now wetin they take no Nigerian people. They know they carry this thing come up for Nigeria. As you dey like this, na machine go carry you cross border, be na motor, be na caterpillar. Because as you dey like this, you no go enter aeroplane go reject you.
Because I want enter this your bike, self will be like
now you think that go carry you? Wetin make me ask you? Say make you no go be all these people where they yourself because I dey fear you. See your trouser. See wetin you wear. You want enter this my bag? Eh? You want enter this chala. Look at. Forget say this thing dey like this. Now me do am like this. As you dey like this, hunger don kill you for house. I don't know whether na beggar you be. You dey tell me say you want cross enter. Na so una take dey beg people. Na so una take. Wetin dey this bag? That you be. Mumu. Fuck all the onyala. The for this. Tell me question.